prevent diseases.
Neigrihms kala Pynlong ya ka health camp ka bakarpang menta kasi Hashanti Bhavan Shillong Hapoh jangka Swast Nari Sashakt Parivar campaign ka ba phaikmat ya ka koit ka khia ki kenthei bat kilong kami ya kani ka health camp ka badan bentalang ka ding paso PHC bat kinong sumar batbit ka Neigrihms ka ya ki free medical check up ka jing penrung karteng na ka benta ka MHIS bat PMJAY bat ka jingalang ban pen preng jingtip halor ka koit ka khia chongki Thay. U Director Neigrihms, U Dr. Nalin Mehta, ula ong ba kani kasien jam katmu ban penshloria gijingle check up kabaman kapor, kabala sakhi, baladon buon ki bawan yishimenta.
We are addressing free health camps and checkups for ladies who come to the hospital, also the lady attendants who come to the hospital, because normally ladies tend to neglect themselves for the sake of their children or spouses or other members of the family. When they are not doing too well, they feel that they should not go to the hospital. It will affect the entire family. They'll go later, and unfortunately at times later it's a little too late, or they become very seriously ill, which requires long hospitalization. So I think it is a lesson and a message for all that every lady, every woman in the family, whenever they face any health related issue, they should reach the hospital immediately. Prevention is better than cure.